have a fun day? It's so awesome seeing all of you here because today we're going to have a dance party in Los Angeles. But first, I need to get out there. Are you ready? Here goes.
Look at Lucky.
Say the magic words. Ready? 1, 2, 3.